Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to increase font size on X on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on your Twitter app. Okay, then check your all font size, then text size. Okay, then back, click on settings, tap on search bar, then search on text size. Okay, then display and brightness text size, click, then this volume is up, then swipe right, then text size up, then long, check your Twitter text size long, then back, swipe left, then down, your text size is short, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.